Guys, in my previous video I converted a single micro transformer, and because it cannot firmly weld a 0.3 nickel strip, I add another micro transformer, and now it has two micro transformer. And if I choose 30% of power and I choose 50 millisecond, the controller can do multiple pulse, and this is 0.2 nickel strip. It holds firmly. After I strip it out, there's a small hole there, and if I increase the power from 32 to 99%, the controller can only produce a single pulse. I will not go on the nickel strip, this is too strong. That's it, at 50%. So I decrease the millisecond into 16, and then this is the 0.3 nickel strip and 12 weld. Can weld firmly at 0.3. Now if you have doubt, I'll check. That's 0, and I'll check. That's a 0.3 nickel strip. My previous video had single micro transformer, it can only weld 0.2 nickel strip, and now it has two micro transformer, can firmly weld 0.3 a single pulse. And I'll try the single pulse on this 0.2 nickel strip at 0.4 millisecond and 99% of power. That's only a single pulse, and see the result. There's no discolorization of the nickel strip after doing one spot, but it firmly held weld. Yeah, firmly weld. I need to apply force to strip it out, even this one. Yeah, that's it. So there's two spot mark on this plate. Yeah, so I did 3 turn with 2 times 16 diameter wire. 1, 2, 3, and there's 2 color, which is red and the black wire. That's it. So each turn there is 2 wire, 2 16 wire in each turn. So guys, if you have any follow-up questions in regard to this DIY micro transformer spot welding, kindly please comment to the comment section box, and I will reply as early as my opportunity. Thank you for watching, guys. See you to my next video.